Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to public video in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Look for the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen and tap it. This will open the camera or allow you to select a video from your gallery. You can record new content or upload an existing video you've already created. Make sure your video is ready to share with the world. Once your video is selected or recorded, it's time to make it shine. TikTok offers many editing tools. You can trim your video, add cool effects, and even include popular sounds or music. Don't forget to add engaging text and fun stickers to make your content stand out. Adjust the volume and video speed to perfect your creation before moving on. Now, let's add some important details before you post. Write a compelling caption that grabs attention and include relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Next, select a captivating cover image for your video. This is what viewers see first. Finally, choose your privacy settings, deciding who can view your content. You're almost ready to share. With everything set, it's time to share your masterpiece. Simply tap the post button, and your video will be live on TikTok for everyone to enjoy. Remember to engage with your audience by responding to comments and liking their feedback. Also, for some great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.